Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Before I begin, here are my disclaimers. Today I am going to give you an update about SJM Holdings interim report. SJM Holdings Limited offers a diverse range of businesses and services through its two main segments, gaming operations and hotel, catering, retail, and leasing operations. The company's services include casino operations management, marketing and promotion, property development preparation, dredging, customer service, retail management, human resources management, project management, shopping mall management, food and beverage services, treasury services, hospitality services. These services are provided through its various integrated entertainment resorts in Macau, making SJM Holdings Limited a comprehensive provider of gaming and leisure experiences. The significant surge in SJM Holdings stock price over the past year can be attributed to several key factors. The company's return to profitability and strong revenue growth in 2024 were major positives for investors, with net revenue increasing by 33% and gross gaming revenue growing by 35.9%. The improved performance of the Grand Lisboa Palace Resort, Macau, also contributed to the stock price increase, with its adjusted property EBITDA recovering substantially. In addition, SJM Holdings' positive CONE 2025 results, which saw an 8.1% year-on-year rise in net revenue and a profit of HK $31 million, further boosted investor confidence. The rally in Macau casino stocks, including SJM Holdings, around July 2025, as June gambling revenue surpassed market expectations, also contributed to the stock price appreciation. Overall, these positive developments collectively fostered investor optimism, leading to a substantial increase in SJM Holdings' stock price over the past year. The primary drivers of revenue growth or decline can be summarized as follows. Revenue growth is primarily driven by the significant increase in gaming revenue, particularly from electronic games and casino gross gaming revenue. The Grand Lisboa Palace Resort's gross revenue also saw a substantial increase of plus 56.4%. Additionally, hotel revenue, food and beverage, mall, and other revenue all experienced growth. On the other hand, revenue decline is mainly attributed to the decline in Grand Lisboa's gross revenue by minus 0.8%, and casino GGR by minus 2.1%. The rolling chip volume also saw a significant decline of minus 23.1%. The company's financial performance indicates a lack of sufficient funds generated from its core operations. Specifically, the data reveals that the business is experiencing negative operating cash flow, suggesting that it is struggling to cover its expenses and generate revenue. This trend may pose challenges for the company's long-term sustainability and growth prospects. The company's debt level has shown a slight increase, with the GLP bank loans carrying value rising to HK $33,371.2 million at June 30, 2025, compared to HK $32,999.7 million in the previous period. However, interest expenses have decreased significantly, from HK $134.1 million in 2024 to HK $109.2 million in 2025. The company's financial performance was mixed across different segments. Gaming operations were a standout, with revenue increasing by 6% and results improving by 53%. Other successful areas included hotel, catering, retail, and leasing operations, which saw significant growth in revenue, 9% for catering and retail, 10% for hotels, and 37% for leasing. However, the hotel segment was a notable underperformer, with results decreasing by 64%. This discrepancy highlights the need for targeted strategies to address the challenges facing the hotel sector. The company has made several significant acquisitions in the recent period, totaling HK $417.3 million. This includes deposits made on property and equipment purchases of HK $275.2 million, as well as amounts due from associates, joint ventures, and investee companies amounting to HK $8.4 million, HK $14.7 million, and HK $39 million respectively. In contrast, the company has not engaged in any divestitures during this period, indicating a focus on expansion through acquisition rather than asset disposal. The company's financial summary reveals that it has not distributed any dividends to its shareholders. Furthermore, there is a lack of information regarding share buyback activities, suggesting that the company has not engaged in this practice either. That concludes the financial summary for SJM Holdings. Feel free to comment below, and I will be happy to answer them when possible.